Hey guys, Siyuan versus Logseq. Which one is better or which one should you use for personal knowledge management in 2025? Watch this before you decide. The Siyuan actually is a local-first, privacy-focused note-taking app. It has built-in database, block-based structure like Notion, Markdown support offline by default, graph view, tabbed workspace, Kanban, mind map, all native. Clean UI, extensively with plugins. So it's great for those who want a Notion-like experience and fully offline. Now let's talk about the Logseq. So Logseq is an open source outliner designed for connected thinking, local first, markdown, and org mode support. So it has bi-directional linking, daily notes, tasks, and plugins also. Strong community and customizability. Perfect for Zettelkasten research and learning. Best for structured thinkers and developers who like outlining. So here is the final verdict for you. So choose Siyuan if you want more visual, Notion style blocks, better for all-in-one dashboards. You can go with the Logseq if you want a text-based outliner first, ideal for network notes and tasks. So that's pretty much all thing. So I can repeat you for one more time that use Siyuan if you want offline Notion alternative with powerful visuals. Use Logseq if you love outlining daily notes and deep PKM workflows. So if you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us know which one you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. Till next time.